Once you've taken the radiator assembly off and the housing for the airflow system, now as the sun is so bright we can't really see it. There we go. This is the other bolt, the second bolt, that you have to take the radiator fan housing assembly off. Consists of 2 bolts on each end and all the different connections. However, it's a little task, but can be done with a little bit of effort. So now we'll go to take this second bolt loose and drop the alternator. The second alternator bolt is a 15 millimeter socket and a 1/2 inch drive. Before taking off the alternator completely, the second bolt, you want to take loose the alternator clamp for the wiring to the alternator. You have to disconnect that harness with the clip on the side. As you can see, the alternator harness wiring clamp is disconnected. There's a small clip that you can see right there on the back side that pulls out. This is a small clip bolting system for the fan housing assembly for the radiator. Then you have this harness assembly that attaches to the framing of the car. You also have to take off the motor mount assembly on the top frame that consists of a bolt here and 2 bolts here down in the frame welding. They're all 1/2 inch bolts, and this is the other clip for the fan housing on the other side for the radiator. After further assessing this situation, there is actually a 3rd bolt right here, which is the same drive, a 15 millimeter, that we're going to have to take loose. As you can see, the alternator is down. There's one more lead, the ground lead, which is a 10 millimeter, and that will complete the disassembling of the alternator for Oldsmo intrgue 2000 3.5 liter. As you can see, we're going to have a little bit of difficulties getting the alternator out now, being that we've got it disassembled. So we're probably going to have to take off this battery holding tray that consists of the 3 bolts here. Look like they're 10 millimeters bolts as well. This is success. This is the alternator. This is the first pulley mount bolt that we took off for the alternator. This is the second one and the third one on the top side. You can actually loosen them up and slip them off to the side. Sometimes you have to take them all the way completely off because it's a little stuck.